Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to generate a video using AI tool. Here you can go and type Kling AI video generator. This one is the website. You can open it, and after that click here video generation. Here you can type anything, create a video for flying taxi, and click here. Then we need to create a free account. You can create your account with your Gmail account, with Apple ID, and many more. After that click here continue button and click here generate video. Now task is submitted, and here you can see it is in the queue. So guys, here you can see video is generated.
We're approaching our destination.
And audio is included. So you can also create short videos by selecting this one. You can also create 10-second videos, and here you can see these are the resolution 720 and 1080. Also you can select number of outputs 1 2 3 4.